Hey guys, what's poppin'? So today I have a new origami to show to you guys. So this is actually going to be a tutorial because it's going to be a very simple origami. So I decided to make a tutorial. So this is it. This is an exploding envelope. Now it can explode, believe it or not. It's pretty good exploding. I would like that exploding, but yeah. So it's very easy to reset as well, so that's a really good plus side to this. And yeah, it's a very good origami model. Also, if you fold this flap, you can also put like a sticker to lock it, because now this flap is, you can just open the envelope out of nowhere. So you can put a sticker to close it or to lock it, but it won't make it origami. But anyways, it's still pretty cool. So you need a square sheet of paper. I won't teach you how to get a square sheet of paper. You just watch one of my previous videos and you will see how to get a square sheet of paper from an A4 size paper. So yeah, so how you make it is, well, you fold it in half, like diagonally in half like this. Crease sharply because it will help a lot. So in both ways, so you can keep it folded. Now fold this corner down, and it doesn't really matter how far you fold it down. This is just literally the size of the flap, so it doesn't really matter. So that should be good. You can put different sizes and stuff, so it's easily variable. And fold this corner to over there. So see. Do it, okay, right, cool. And now fold this corner over to here. So if you want, you can obviously rotate the paper. Okay, this corner too, right there. You can even curve the paper if you're having troubles like me. Alright, so that's it. So now this is basically where you're going to store your stuff. And now you have to fold this down. You can see around about to the point right there. It really matters upon you. So yeah. So that's it. And you can even fold this. Oh wait, I forgot a step. Sorry. You gotta put this flap inside this flap. That will help the exploding mechanism thingy. And go like this and put your, well, fold your little flap, put your sticker if you want, and that's it. Obviously you can even do some folding here. So if I real quick do some, I mean, it doesn't really matter what you can even fold it like this. What it looks like when I finish it kind of looks like an animal or something like that. That's the eyes, or you can draw it on. I mean, that's also an option. But yeah, so that's basically it. Let's see if the thing was. Before you go and test the exploding mechanism, make sure all of your creases are nice and sharp so that it actually explodes nice. So let's do this, and let's do this for the other side. Put it in, and yes, all right. So you can flatten it out. I'll just flatten it out, and let's see if it works. Wow, I don't know what that accent was, but yeah, so it works. And to reset it, what you need to do is you need to fold it like this, fold it like that, put it inside the other one, and put it down. And by the way, it does not really matter which one goes into which one, it doesn't matter. So that's it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to turn on those post notifications so you'll never miss another upload, because that will be sad. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.